Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over what does holding mean on your Ecobee thermostat. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're staying at an Airbnb and they have an Ecobee thermostat. What does the word holding actually mean? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in regards to your Ecobee thermostat, the word holding means that it's going to hold the temperature at this certain amount. So as you can see, the center number means the current degrees, and holding at 69 means that the Ecobee thermostat is going to make sure that the temperature in the home is held at 69 degrees. So if it goes higher, that's when it's going to turn on. If it goes lower, that's when it's also going to stop. Or in that case, if it's heating or cooling. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and explain what does holding mean on your Ecobee thermostat. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually explain this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.